Picture na kayo, Paul and John, for the last time. Flex your love strings. Flex your sash. Coming up next, photo per table. Once again, my name is Miss Mao from TNS and Golden Events. Miss Mao, abot kami ng pangarap po. Episode September 21 to 22, 2023. Ayan po, starring Jillian Ward, Carmina Villarreal. Miss Mao at Chile Prime Anak, starring Jasmine Curtis Smith, Raver Cruz, Lizelle Lopez, Joan Mascon, Martin Del Rosario with Miss Gina Alahar. Miss Mao, Intipito Manaloto, starring Bitoy Michael V. Aired May 18, 2024. Coming soon, Miss Mao, Netflix, The Bagman. Starring Julian Santos Agoncillo.